This tutorial shows a Mask Thru Text Effect that can be used with the VideoSoCrazy app to create artistic captions. As the starting point for this tutorial, just pick a video from your camera roll. Next, press the masking button below the video button. It's the button with two mask icons showing. The masking table appears where you can choose from several flavors of mask. Before we choose the mask, let us explain how the mask effect works. When a chosen mask is applied to the video, what it actually does is provide a masking shape that punches a hole in the video where you can see through to the background behind the video. To make this masking effect fun, we can put some fun things behind the video like a color gradient or a static photo or a tiled background. Let's add a colorful gradient to the background. On the left-hand side of the screen, press the color gradient background button. Press the three randomized buttons at the top to change the color gradients. When you have decided on colors, you can move the slider to spin the color gradient. Near the center, the spin is slowest. Near the endpoints, the spins are faster, with the left side being counterclockwise and the right side being clockwise. A slower spin typically looks better and is more artistic. After you have chosen your colors and spin, press the back arrow button in the upper left corner. Your chosen video now reappears. Select Mask Thru Text from the table as it allows you to personalize a colorful and flexible captioning effect. Before you try to change the text being used, try pinching and spreading and dragging the caption effect around. Note that you can change the size and location of the caption. Try pressing the Hide the Controls button in the upper right corner. Keep pinching and dragging, and note how good this looks. And it's very flexible. While all the controls are hidden, you can even start a screen recording if you'd like, by dragging down from the upper right corner. Okay, now let's go and change to your desired text. Perform a long press on the screen for at least half a second, and that'll bring the controls back. Okay. Before you insert your desired text, you have to get it into the paste buffer. So you might leave VideoSoCrazy for a few seconds and text yourself your desired text so you can then copy it and get it into the paste buffer. Similarly, you could have gone to the Notes app and typed in your message and then selected it and copied it into your paste buffer. Don't include any emojis, as this rendering process only works with alphanumeric characters. Return to VideoSoCrazy. Now note, for this tutorial, we already have in our paste buffer the phrase, Happy Valentine's Day. In the lower right, press the Change Text button. Then touch the text field that appears slowly a few times. And an option to paste will come up, and then press that paste. Now your text is being presented in this effect. In our case, the text changed to Happy Valentine's Day. Press the Hide the Controls button in the upper right corner. Now you can pinch to change the size and drag the effect around with one finger with no control showing. Do a long press on the screen for at least a half second to bring the controls back. Now note the table where you can choose how to cue in each new word. Try the option for cueing the next word shown by tap. Now, the words change only when you tap the screen. Okay. In the table, try the option for next word shown at regular intervals specified by user. A slider is shown that lets you control the interval. Adjust the slider left and right. The fun thing to do at this point is to press the Use Stealth Mode button in the lower left corner. Note that all the controls get hidden. Now you can move your finger left and right on the screen to control the interval timing. Near the left border, the interval is the shortest and quickest changes on the text, and near the right border results in a slower interval. Do a long press on the screen for at least a half second to bring the controls back.